Today, I'd like to talk about what match officials really wish coaches knew and why we need to talk about it. You know, if you listen closely on a Saturday or a Sunday morning across rugby pitches all over the country, you can actually hear it. No, not birds, not kids laughing. Nope, none of them. It's the sound of at least one referee thinking, here we go again. And today, we're telling their story. The story officials don't often share out loud, but they definitely feel it. You see, coaches are teachers, but no one taught them the laws. What do I mean by that? Most grassroots coaches are brilliant people. They give their time, their weekends, and about 50% of their sanity to the game. But here's the thing, and this is the thing that nobody really says. Coaches are trained to coach rugby skills. They're not really trained to manage a match day, the etiquette, the boundaries, the behavioural expectations. So sometimes they treat the match enclosure just like it's another training pitch. Law 6, additional persons. To them, that sounds like a sci-fi sequel. And meanwhile, the referee is thinking, hey mate, I'm standing literally right here officiating your game. See, referees aren't mad, maybe just a little bit tired. As a ref, I don't expect perfection. I'm not looking for applause. I don't need a statue in the clubhouse or a shrine built around some match balls. We all just want space, respect, and a bit of calm. But instead, what they often get is constant sideline instructions barked at volume 11, gestures big enough to direct air traffic, and disagreements expressed with, well, let's call it passion. And as officials, we feel all of this. They hold it together, but trust me, they feel it. If you ask a coach why they're pushing into the playing area, or shouting at the ref, or questioning every call, the answer is often because everyone does it. And that's the problem. Not malice, just herd mentality. A behaviour that's been copied so long as it feels normal, except, of course, to the ref. There's a ripple effect. Coaches set the tone. Players mirror coaches. Parents mirror whoever they think is the loudest person on the touchline. Spectators copy each other. So when a coach is calm and respectful, the whole environment improves instantly. When a coach spends 60 to 80 minutes looking like they're protesting a tax increase, the whole atmosphere gets tense. And young players, well, they learn from that energy, not from the law book. So are clubs trying to do the right thing? Yeah, there are clubs doing fantastic work, developing young refs, mentoring them, supporting them, hosting events run entirely by club officials. But even in those clubs, getting every coach to follow matchday etiquette can often feel like trying to referee a game played entirely by seagulls. One official summed it up to me. We know what good looks like, we just can't get everyone to do it at the same time. And sometimes even simple requests like pitch barriers turn into a 4-meeting saga. So where is the leadership? Behind the scenes, it's a deeper frustration. Many officials feel the RFU isn't providing clear guidance or strong support or consistent training even. They say referee courses have been scaled back. Clubs are told to organise everything themselves. Paperwork seems doubled. Meanwhile, coaching courses still run as normal. Officials aren't angry, they're just wondering who exactly is steering the ship. That's what they tell me. So, here's a conversation starter. All of this leads to one important point. Not who's to blame, but this. What kind of club do we actually want to be? Because when a club works with its referees, not around them, not despite them, the whole place transforms. Players feel safer. Coaches feel calmer. Parents more relaxed. And referees feel like part of the club, not a temporary accessory that turned up with a whistle. So I want to throw this over to you that's watching. You might be a coach, a parent, a player, a ref, or somebody who just loves the bacon rolls on a Saturday and Sunday. Whoever you are, does your club genuinely work with its referees as part of its community? Or is there room for a better, more supportive culture? Tell me in the comments. Does your club create a positive, cooperative environment on match day? Do referees feel welcomed and included, or like outsiders? What small changes would instantly improve things? What would you personally like to see clubs doing differently? Let's start a real conversation. No blaming, no finger pointing, just people who care about rugby talking about how to make the environment better for everyone. Your idea might be the one that helps another club turn a tense touchline into a supportive one. And that's how change really starts. My name's Gavin Chase from Advantage, the Ref Collective. Don't forget to check out our videos. And if you're really interested, you can see some point of view webcam footage that I record in nearly every game I referee at.